Once you know this recipe, you won't want regular rice balls anymore. It's just delicious. And the best part, you can freeze them. Just microwave to enjoy them hot and fresh anytime. No knife or cutting board today. Let's put them away. Time to cook rice. 1 cup is 150 grams. We're using 2 cups, which is 300 grams. That makes about 6 to 7 rice balls. Rinse the rice lightly. Drain and repeat 2 or 3 times. When the water looks this clear, it's ready. Add water up to the 2-cup line. No line. Use 440 milliliters. Let the rice cooker do the job. While we wait, let's mix the seasonings. 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of mirin. 1 tablespoon of sake. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 1 teaspoon of bonito powder. A separate video on this is coming soon. You can also add some toasted white or black sesame seeds if you like. Rice is ready. It smells amazing. Pour the sauce over the rice. Mix it all together. It smells amazing during the process too. Lay plastic wrap on the bench. That makes shaping easier. This rice mold is great. No mold, no problems, just use your hands. If you're using your hands, no rush, just wait till it cools a bit. Then pop it out. Top, top, top. Let's grill them. Heat your pan to medium high. Add a little more oil than usual. Listen to that sizzle in. It smells so good. Wish you could smell it too. Don't flip them just yet. Check the bottom first. Nice color? Okay, now flip. If your stove heats unevenly, feel free to rotate the pan. You could stop here, but grilling all sides makes them even crispier. Use tongs at home. This hand is professionally trained. Rotate and grill all sides. Done when they're golden all around. Plate them up.
いただきます。
That's a Japanese word to show gratitude before eating. Crispy on the outside, steamy on the inside. Simple, but absolutely delicious. Perfect for school lunch too. Your child will be the most popular kid for sure. If only you have any left for tomorrow. If there is no left, make it again. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next recipe.